Lie prone on the floor with feet together. Put your hands slightly narrower than shoulder width and extend your arms. Form a straight line from head to toe. Put a bench behind your back and grip the edge next to your hips with your torso upright. Stretch your arms with fingers facing forward and elbows tight. Position your hands shoulder width apart behind you on the floor. Behind your knees and lift your hips up. Stretch your arms with fingers facing forward and elbows tight. Kneel down with legs together. Lower your body to the floor with both elbows and hands shoulder width apart. Lean forward and support yourself by your forearms.